Hey. Okay. I'll have to try that again. And here's my homestay, which is very cute. There's a cute family. They don't speak English, but they're very sweet. And it's just overlooking this gloriousness. God. Just insanity. Now, the reason why I'm staying here is a crazy story. I had a booking yesterday for a place called Shirley Homestay. Or I had the booking for today. I was thinking about coming up to Sapa yesterday, but I decided I wanted to get here in daylight, and so I wanted to come up in the morning today instead of at night yesterday. So I get to Shirley Homestay today, and it is a smoldering ruin. And there's a huge crowd of locals crowded around it, just looking at it. And there's some police shifting through the rubble, and it's chaos. And I go over and I ask Shirley Homestay, hello, Shirley Homestay. And a woman comes over and she speaks English, and she says, yes, this is my homestay, pointing to the rubble. It burned down last night. And she apologized to me, saying, I'm sorry, you have to find somewhere else to stay. Which is just crazy it's crazy that I had a booking at a place that burned down, that I missed being there when it burned down by one day, and then that the lady who just lost her livelihood is apologizing to me because I have to go find somewhere else to stay, as if like my inconvenience is anything compared to what happened to her today. It was the craziest thing I've ever experienced. I've never had anything like that happen to me before. I was absolutely blown away. So instead of staying there, I'm staying here, which is fine. It's nice here. It's just, I think I'm going to go back tomorrow and give that lady some money because I just feel so bad for her. She was such a sweet lady. She wasn't sure why it burned down. It was crazy. I also got here just in time because the rice is still nice and yellow, and they are harvesting today and tomorrow and this whole week. So I got here just before Sapa stops being beautiful. I was wrong. I was here a year ago, or a year and a half ago, and I didn't think Sapa was that beautiful. I got here and I was underwhelmed. Turns out I was just here at the wrong time. I was here before they had planted the rice, and it was like the mountains were nice, but the overall scenery was meh. But now, good God, I was completely wrong. I'm back. Last time I was here in February. It is now February 2019. It is now August 2020, and I was so wrong. Let me show you this. I'm a big enough man to admit that I was totally wrong. I was wrong about Sapa. Sapa is absolutely glorious. It is stunning. Especially now, when the rice is yellow, they're harvesting everything. It is so beautiful. I am absolutely floored by how gorgeous Sapa is. Which is nice, because I totally was coming here thinking that Sapa was And God, I was wrong. I've never been so wrong about anything in my entire life. This is just mind-blowingly beautiful.
What's your name?
I want to. Camera.
What's your name?
Hmm?
Your name?
My name?
Yeah.
My name is Mike.
Mike.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What is your name?
Mamaku.
Mamaku?
Yeah.
Nice.
Buy Sapa.
Hmm?
You want to buy Sapa?
Yeah. Yep. all over.
You Philippine Sapa.
I'm going to stay in Sapa tomorrow. Yeah. But today, stay here. Okay, I will be back. Bye bye, nice to meet you. Everybody's super friendly here. They haven't had tourists in a while, so they're all super excited to see me. Jesus Christ, it's beautiful. Yep, let's take out the drone. As with everything, it is very difficult to capture just how gorgeous it is here, but it is fucking beautiful. I got here at exactly the right time. Next week, all of this yellow rice will be gone, replaced by just dead stalks. Another couple of weeks, there'll be nothing left. Sapa will look meh again. But for right now, holy shit, this is amazing. I'm so glad I came back. Sapa, I misjudged you. Alright, at what point do I give up on this road and try a different road? Good question, Mike. I don't know the answer to that. I have a feeling about this road. I've got a good feeling. I don't know if that's misplaced or what. If I get a flat tire, I'll be pissed. I feel like there's gonna be it's gonna open up to an amazing vista. Well, alright, that's not bad. We can do better though. Nah, it ain't opening up. But god damn, homie. Jesus Christ, it's just everywhere you go. Good God, I can't get over it. It's so good. It's just, my God. And those mountains. It's just, why would anyone live anywhere else? I am giving up on this road because fuck that. And I have no idea where it goes. So, let's go back down. Great view though. Good God, what a view. With no brakes, this is gonna be fun. And a shit tire. Fuck, this is not gonna be fun. Ugh, with no brakes, this is gonna be a hassle. It's doable, it's just fucking gonna be annoying. Just stick to second gear. I wish I had brakes, I really do. I miss having brakes. Not having brakes kind of sucks. Makes you really appreciate what you have when you are on a shitty rental bike. When I get back to Hanoi and get on my bike, I'm gonna be like, oh my God, it's like night and day. some water buffalo here. An old lady with her parasol, chilling with her herd. And over here, more amazing rice. I don't even like rice that much. I've lived in Asia long enough, I'm kind of sick of rice. But goddamn, it looks good. I hope those buffalo don't get upset by the noise of the drone. If they do, this will be a quick photo shoot. And so, after they're done harvesting their rice, they burn the fields to then return all of the nutrients and the stalks and the stems back into the earth for next year's crop, which makes sense from a farming perspective, but it's not really fun to breathe in. And certain places of the world where they do this all at once, you can't even like be there when it's happening. I know in the farms around New Delhi, as well as Chiang Mai, they do it in mass all at the exact same time, and it feels like you're just smoking constantly. It's as if you're going through a pack an hour, and it's rough. Luckily here it looks like they're doing it fairly staggered. They're not doing it all at once, but still it's not very nice to be around, but it does make sense. Luckily the rice fields still look awesome either way. So